The Chevrolet Corvette, an icon of American ingenuity and power, consistently pushes boundaries. The 2026 Corvette is its most audacious leap yet. A complete reimagining, aiming to be the best. This model signifies decades of engineering prowess, design evolution, and understanding driver desires. It blends track weapon thrill with sophisticated comfort and cutting-edge technology. Chevrolet has created a Corvette superior to its predecessors and a formidable global challenger. From first glance, the 2026 Corvette commands attention. It's a sculpture of speed, a symphony of aerodynamics, and modern automotive artistry. Beyond its stunning exterior lies a technological marvel, engineered for an unparalleled driving experience. We're talking about seamless integration of advanced driver assist systems, an intuitive infotainment interface, and a powertrain redefining production sports car possibilities. This review will dissect every facet: its revolutionary design, heart-stopping performance, meticulously crafted interior, and the technologies making it a true road companion. Buckle up, your perception of a Corvette is about to change. The 2026 Corvette's exterior is a masterpiece. Chevrolet's design team has refined the C8's aggressive, mid-engine proportions into something even more cohesive, purposeful, and futuristic. The front fascia. The front end showcases controlled aggression. The signature grille is reshaped, wider and lower, emphasizing its planted stance. Massive intakes feed air to radiators and brakes for optimal performance. Sharper, narrower LED headlights integrate seamlessly, giving a predatory gaze. A pronounced lower splitter hints at its aerodynamic capabilities, generating downforce. Every line and vent serves dual purposes: aesthetics and efficiency, screaming speed even at a standstill. The profile and side scoops. From the side, the mid-engine architecture is celebrated with dramatic proportions. The forward-pushed cabin creates the iconic long rear deck. Slightly extended wheelbase contributes to stability and interior space. Crucially, massive side air intakes are vital arteries, channeling cool air to the engine bay. Their integrated design blends seamlessly into the bodywork. Sharper character lines flow from front to rear, giving a taut, muscular appearance. New multi-spoke wheels perfectly fill the arches, hinting at serious braking power. The profile exudes relentless forward motion. The rear end. The rear is distinctive and refined for maximum impact. Quad exhaust tips are elegantly integrated into a more aggressive, functional lower diffuser. Taillights are transformed into sleeker, angular LED units that wrap around the corners, making the car appear wider and lower. A subtle spoiler lip on the rear deck lid contributes to aerodynamic balance. The overall impression is immense power and stability, looking fast from every angle. Inside the 2026 Corvette, you're enveloped in a futuristic driver-connected cockpit. Chevrolet has refined the C8's driver-centric philosophy, enhancing ergonomics, luxury, and tech integration. Everything angles towards the driver. The refined center console clearly separates driver and passenger, ensuring unimpeded access to controls. The flat-bottomed steering wheel feels substantial, with intuitive controls. Paddle shifters are tactile and responsive. The low, supportive seating position hugs you in place. Expect premium seat options, from GT comfort to aggressive competition, upholstered in Napa leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. Now, the heart of the beast, the powertrain. Chevrolet will push performance boundaries, likely offering multiple engine options building on the C8's foundation. The base engine will likely be an evolution of the naturally aspirated 6.2-litre LT2 V8, possibly exceeding 500 horsepower, with refinements like direct injection and mild hybrid assistance for instant torque. Higher performance variants will distinguish it. Imagine a Z06 successor with a high-revving flat-plane crank V8 pushing near 700 horsepower. For ultimate performance, a hybrid or fully electric variant is possible, combining a powerful V8 with electric motors for all-wheel drive traction and hypercar rivaling acceleration. Combined output could exceed 800 or even 1,000 horsepower in a top-tier E-Ray or ZR1 successor, delivering instant torque and unprecedented grip. The possibilities are exhilarating. Pricing and availability are speculative for a 2026 model. Expect a competitive starting price, likely in the mid to high 70,000s for the base, significantly escalating for higher performance variants. Top-tier models could reach low to mid-six figures. Availability will likely begin late 2025 or early 2026, with high initial demand leading to potential markups and long waiting lists. Securing one early will require quick action and a strong dealer relationship. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette is a statement, a testament to American automotive engineering. It proves the future of performance is bold, innovative, and exciting. It elevates the Corvette formula, delivering a visceral, refined, technologically advanced, and emotionally engaging driving experience. From exterior to interior to performance, this Corvette is a complete package. It will challenge perceptions, dominate racetracks, and turn heads. More than a sports car, it's a symbol of what's possible. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette is the future, period, and it's here to stay.